The dialogue spoken in this video is taken from the official Titanic 2 Blue Star Line website.
Clive Palmer's vision is to not only build a ship, but rebuild a legend that has captivated millions of people for over a century. Central to this vision is an authentic passenger experience that recreates life aboard the most famous passenger liner in history. In 2012, the year of the 100th anniversary of Titanic's maiden voyage, Professor Palmer's vision evolved into a journey, and Blue Star Line's vision to build Titanic 2 was born. The company officially registered as Blue Star Line Limited in April 2012 and quickly established offices across Asia and Australia. Blue Star Line engaged Chinese state-owned shipbuilding company CSC Jinling and Delta Marine, the Finland-based marine architects, to partner in delivering a ship of dreams, a ship that will herald the return of a legend. Blue Star Line will create an authentic Titanic experience, providing passengers with a ship that has the same interiors and cabin layout as the original vessel, while integrating modern safety procedures, navigation methods, and 21st century technology to produce the highest level of luxurious comfort. Titanic 2 is a unique project that will generate unprecedented international exposure and public interest. The ship will follow the original journey, carrying passengers from Southampton to New York, but she will also circumnavigate the globe, inspiring and enchanting people while attracting unrivaled attention, intrigue, and mystery in every port she visits. In 1912, the Titanic was the ship of dreams. More than 100 years on, Titanic 2 will be the ship where dreams really do come true.